What y'all saying boo for? But why do you have a glob of spit on your face? It's disgusting. Y'all, look at this animal. Hold on. Stop turning your head. I know. But anyways, y'all, what's up, y'all? All right. We got some stuff to do today. We're gonna put the replacement side markers on my car, and then we're gonna put the puddle lights on the doors. I'm very excited for that one. But I'm not doing it out here, so we gotta make some room in the garage. I'm gonna pull a car in, and we finna work in there. It's cold. It's like 35 degrees or something like that. It's supposed to snow this week. Freezing. Hopefully, can y'all see me? Okay, great. I would hate for y'all to miss out on this. I'm just joking, but chill. But yeah, gonna clear some space out right here, and then pull the car back in, and yeah, I'm gonna have y'all on my GoPro so y'all can see everything I'm doing, because last time I tried to change side markers with my phone, stupid, it didn't even look right. So I'm gonna warm her up, back her in, and then yeah, there's never been a car parked in this garage since we've lived here, so it's about to be a first time.
Switch, run them bands up.
All right, y'all. So boom. You guys okay? Why did that just happen, bro? Anyways, we got the space cleared out. We got our side marker lights. We got our shadow puddle lamp. Yeah, I left the instructions upstairs, so I need to go grab those. But when I get back, I'm gonna put y'all on the GoPro, and I'm gonna pull the car in, and then I'll put you on the GoPro, and then we're gonna start working. Oh. All right, keys, instructions, car. Y'all, this makes my car look massive, or maybe we just don't have enough space in the garage, but are we serious right now? But we're gonna finish up getting all the tools and stuff we need. I need to turn the lights off so I don't die when I unplug them. And then yeah, so I don't even know if this is the right size Allen key, bro. Yeah, I'm kind of upset. That fall broke my, God, this is my only good charger too. All right, y'all, got y'all here on the GoPro. Broke my phone charger, so I'm about to put you on the head mount, and we better get started. Yeah, I'm kind of pressed about it, but it's all right. Got her in, y'all can see. So we're gonna do that. How was my GoPro at 96%, bro? It's been charging for the last 3 days. But yeah, I'll see y'all in a second. I guess we're gonna start with side markers. I need to see which, I know it's this one that I need to replace. This one is perfectly fine. I might not even touch that one. Just make my life a little easier. All right, basically y'all, you wanna get the fender liner off first. I'm supposed to have the wheel turned. Just making sure. That should be fine. Cut the car off.
In Kings Mountain. Come on and see what all the hype is all about at Two Kings Casino.
Life insurance.
Shut up. Pry into it. I don't have a prying tool, so I do this way too often to not have one though. I think this would be my 5th time. replacing side markers. So it's fun, I guess. Come on. There we go. Right here. I'm gonna just set them up here because I'm gonna lose them. 1, 2, 3. And then big old thick one. All right. Okay. Stop it. We can pull the liner back. Oh wait, can we? Oh yeah, you gotta like. Is there another one? I ain't done this in a minute, y'all. I'm sorry. Oh, I need 10 mil. Uh-oh. All right, y'all, we had to get creative. Literally have nothing that'll go with this one. I have nothing, so we're using a screwdriver at the end of it to pull the bolts out, because what is life becoming? Where are the other bolts? Got that. Oh, is that the main one? I don't even remember how to do this, bro. Is this all I do? And then I don't want to break nothing. I can't remember. I thought it was one more bolt, but from what it looks like, I ain't got them other bolts. So no, bro, this don't feel right. I can't even lie to you, this don't feel right. We better see if these other lights look right. I don't even care, bro. I'm already over it. Shouldn't be this hard, man. It's not even anything happened. I just couldn't find the freaking 10 mil, bro. These are fronts or backs? Might be backs. Yeah, these are backs. I think it's supposed to go like, hold on. Yeah. So this is what this one looks like. And that's what this one. Okay, that's good. Looks good. All right. There it is. Oh, my fingers. Ow. Finding one of these is worse than looking for the 10 mil, bro. You can't even tell if the jump fits. I quit. I'm not doing this right now. Where's my old side marker, bro? This new one. This is new. Where's my old one? Let's get this back in there. So instead of side markers, because it's not what we're doing today, we're gonna do puddle lights. All right. The lights right here. Gave us a little screwdriver. It's vertically stuck in the box for how is it even possible? Literally says, it just says replace. What do you mean? Replace it. Are you serious? Yo, this is the worst instruction video I've ever seen in my life. So you're saying if any panel has to come off this door, I'm rolling the car down the driveway and I'm never seeing it again? All right, yeah, you're lucky, buddy. Oh, that's hot. Dang. Are the lights off? Look, dang. How do I turn it off? Or did I just unplug it? Ah! Oh my God, that is hot. It's right here, but it's only right here. Where's my phone? I'm over it.
Bro, come on now, dog.
All right, so boomski, we got it out. I knew that, how to do that. Yo, this is the hottest bulb I've ever touched. All right. Oh, that's tough. All right. Now it just has to go back up in the hole. Wrong side. Okay. Assuming it's the wrong side, so we're gonna take that and use this one instead. This just didn't seem. So that's in. Where is it? Do I just like, well no, because that's upside down. So it needs to go like this. It's not backwards though. So that. It just needs to go forward. This. So this needs to go in, but how would it go back inside? It needs to go up. Let me see what dude has to say about this. He obviously knows what he's doing.
And it'll just slide right out, simple. So now if we go into our package here and write that on the sides of them, they have letters. So L means the driver door, and R means passenger door.
Okay.
So basically all you have to do now is slide this connector into this. Voila. And you can see our 300C logo in there. And you take it. This one's kind of tricky because the plastic's kind of stiff. Like just push it up in there.
Okay, I get it. I understand it now. Where's the screw? Come on. Where is it? Let me see. I'm about to use that to pry that in here. How do you get it in?
Sure, it's in there. There. Voila. You can see our 300C logo in there. And you take it. This one's kind of tricky because the plastic's kind of stiff. Like just push it up in there. Sure, it's in there.
God.
And we have our 300C logo.
Why
So
me?
let's go do the passenger side. That should take only a couple seconds to do.
Yeah, we can't be for real right now. As y'all can see, this is the logo right here. I don't know if I'll forever keep it, obviously, but hello? Well, all right. I'm about to try the other side. Yeah, I'm close. No, this one's gonna go right. That went in. Okay. It's pretty cool. That went in. Dang, that is cool. All right, y'all. My GoPro's at 6%, but I don't understand the problem. Like it's going. This is the right way it's supposed to be. It just will not. So I get that in, right? The other side literally took me 6 seconds. So it's like that. It won't go any further. Like I get it in, and it just won't. It won't go. So I don't know what the problem is. I'm very aggravated. Like, why is this y'all not working? I don't understand. It's like it went in seamlessly on the other side, but I feel like something is here that is not. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't get paid enough. I don't get paid at all for this. Like, why is it? I'll just put my knee on it and God. So of course nobody else is having the same issue as me. My GoPro's at 4%. It's just, I've got nothing to show for this whole video, bro. I'm very upset right now, bro. Like, nothing to show for it at all. Like, what do I swear, God. What do I even do? Alright, so GoPro's dead. Well, no, GoPro storage is full. I don't think I have my keys. I hate this car. Hate it. So we got both the Puddle lights in, but one of them's upside down. Yeah, it's upside down because I don't know, because it is. It's the only way I could get it to go in. So, but we finna get a garage start. The car is not warmed up either. The car's probably at like 100. We're like 80 degrees right now. Hey! Hey! Wait. One more real quick. All right, y'all. Basically, I didn't have any, well, I was on the phone, so I couldn't do this, but these are the Puddle lights at night. Well, that's the driver's side. I don't know if I really want to talk about the passenger side for real. I'm going to because I'm running over there as we speak. Basically, it's in upside down because it's the only way it would stay, and I'm gonna fix that later on. It's very aggravating, but whatever, man. It's how it is. I don't know if I want to get some for the back doors. They rarely open, so yeah, I'm actually pretty good at this commentating stuff, you know. It's just like I wonder if I should do that or not. But yeah, y'all, we're about to hit 10K. I really appreciate y'all, like for real. Dang, my car is dirty. That's disgusting. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoy this video for real. This is 300. I don't know if I want to get a different badge or not. I have to start. Oh, Jesus, the video's about to end. All right, I love y'all. Bye.